Most people don't realize how powerful Notion AI actually is. So here are 3 simple ways it can save you time every day. Let's look at some real examples. Sometimes your thoughts are just everywhere. I want to start YouTube but don't know what to do. Need ideas, filming, editing, posting schedule. Instead of figuring everything out myself, I'll let Notion AI organize it. And just like that, everything is structured. Now I know exactly what to do next. Here's another way it helps. Let's say you wrote something, but it doesn't sound very clear. I'll highlight it, and you can see the Improve Writing button appear. Click on it, and it automatically fixes grammar and makes everything easier to read. But if you want more control, you can ask AI exactly what you want. Now it sounds more formal and polished. This is great for emails, posts, or any content you write. And this one saves even more time. Here are some long notes I have. I'll highlight them and ask Notion AI to summarize everything. Instead of reading everything, just summarize it. Now I only see the important information. And that's how you can use Notion AI to work faster and stay organized. Try these yourself and see how much time you save.